We're living in an era where it seems that mothers somehow are hurting. It's a different era from the one that I grew up in, where there has been a lot of respect for mothers, for motherhood. It's very unfortunate. One of the unfortunate after effects of the slave trade is that it managed to separate the motherland from her children. It also managed to separate the children from each other, taking Africa's children from their mother and from each other as brothers and sisters, taking the children to various places within the Caribbean and other parts of the world for a trade that was very beneficial to the colonists. Brothers and sisters no longer recognized each other as such. They became enemies. There were riots, there were outbreaks of violence as people were frustrated. And so we've lived through centuries of division, divisiveness, and the feeling that this is my country and no other. In today's video, we're going to focus on one of the children from the motherland who also became a mother herself. She became the mother of liberty. She was felt to be very rebellious by the French, the Spanish, and the English, who tried to dominate her without understanding the power in her, the strength that lied in her as a leader, as someone who is going to fight for her liberty, who is going to fight against domination, who was going to rebel and revolt to the point that she managed to have liberty and to put an end to a trade that was so beneficial to so many colonists. In addition to doing that, she was made to pay by France. And she paid her dues. She paid her dues for her brothers, her sisters, for her parents. Now she's going through a crisis. Haiti, we know the battle is not easy because in the 18th and 19th century, the fight was external. The enemy was an external enemy. To a large extent now, you're dealing with some internal enemies. You're dealing with people on the inside, and that adds to the difficulty. Join me in today's video as we examine this more closely and take a look at Haiti, the mother of liberty. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Welcome back. My name is AngieMarie and you've reached my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you've visited my channel, you're so welcome. And if you are a return subscriber, I'm super happy to have you. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I would ask you to like this video because there's something that drew you here in the first place. Go ahead and like this video and you're free to share it. It helps to show YouTube that you value what I'm doing and want more. On this channel, we discuss issues such as finances, relationships, spirituality, travel, countries, culture, places I've been, and things that I know pertaining especially to the motherland and her children, Caribbean and so forth. So let me clear up some misconceptions about Haiti, because a lot of times when we go on the media, you see footage of violence, gang violence in the Port-au-Prince, and people have a misconception about what is really going on in the country. So let me just let you know something here. Haiti has strong diplomatic ties with many countries. Haiti has a very developed and organized system from the standpoint of diplomacy. For example, Haiti is a founding member of the OAS, Organization of American States. It has diplomatic relations with countries with which it trades, such as Taiwan, Canada, the United States, several Caribbean countries, several Latin American countries. So there is a history of foreign relations relating to Haiti. Haiti has diplomatic relations with more than 130 countries. Many of them are African nations, including Senegal, Namibia, Zambia, Guinea, Ghana, Gabon, Cote d'Ivoire, Cameroon, Benin, and we have a lot of Caribbean countries, Jamaica, St. Kitts, Nevis, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Trinidad and Tobago. They have relations with Kenya, Rwanda. Haiti qualifies as being a mother of liberty because you granted us a gift of freedom. There's a lot of power in motherhood. Now let's talk a little bit about what has happened in Haiti. The slave trade really divided us, but do we have to remain divided? That's my question. Do we have to remain divided? And yes, there's a language difference between us. And if you look at the map, we'll see just how close Jamaica, Cuba, the Bahamas, and these countries, just how close they are to Haiti. But what separates us? Water and a different language. But let me tell you the truth. When you get closer and you get into the cultural practices, the cultures, you realize that we're so similar, that we have so much more. The similarities are much, much more than the differences. The way we prepare our food, there's a lot of similarities. So even though there was horrible slavery, we did not lose some of the practices, because guess what? We came from the same continent. Whether it was Benin, Nigeria, Ghana, or whichever part of Africa we came from Africa, and there are some practices, some cultural norms that we took with us, and slavery did not remove it in many ways. Separated by a body of water and language differences, but we do not have to stay divided. We're still brothers and sisters, and we still consider you, Haiti, to be the mother of liberty. We know you became the mother of liberty at a high price. Lives were lost. Leaders were killed. Many assassinations. It has not been easy. And a price which also included a physical price of money, billions of dollars to France. So there's been a price that you've paid, and you're still paying the price, because now economically you're hurting to a large extent. However, I want people to know the images they show us, that they show you of Haiti, is not the full picture. What you're seeing are some small sections in the main city of Port-au-Prince. But what about further out? What about Labadie? What about Jacmel? What about Cap-Haitien? What about Gonaives? What you're seeing is not the complete picture. Haiti is a beautiful place. So why is Haiti described as the mother of liberty? How did she become the mother of liberty? Well, I don't think it was necessarily by default. How I see it was that she became a mother of liberty through the vision of her forefathers, the Dessalines, the Christophe, the Boukman, Louverture, and many others. In fact, I see myself as a daughter of Boukman. Yeah, he did spend some time after he was taken from Africa. They took him first to my country, Jamaica, and he was trained in Jamaica before he went to Haiti and led in his own way. So Haiti became a mother because of the vision of our forefathers, the vision of fathers that saw beyond. Now what we're looking for now are new fathers who can catch the same vision and say, in the same way Dessalines stood up, I'm gonna do the same, Haiti. However, let me tell you one of the things we can do for you as respect for you as mother. One of the things we can do is support you in our prayers. 1, 2, support you morally. And 3, support you physically if needed. Just let us know. In the same way you've asked for support with projects such as your Kanal, Kanpe.
We are here at the Kanal with some big news. So Pastor Moise, he has been one of the leaders since the beginning, helping to pioneer and leading this canal, because we believe Kanal, Kanpe. People have already begun doing something really big. What did they start to do already?
They start to plant rice. And then we got a lot of land that we already put rice on them. So we're gonna put the water like in about tomorrow. We're gonna take like the big pump that we have. We're gonna put water on the canal because we need it. And the other big news, and we know by this year we're gonna lower the price of the rice.
They've already started to plant the rice.
Yes.
Rice that's going to be using water from the Massacre River. We're already planning, preparing, executing, because Kanal, Kanpe, and I love this idea that the price of rice is going lower. It's going lower. And to be more specific with the rice, right now, for about 2,500 pounds of rice, the price is about 7,500 goods. It's expected that this price is certainly going to go lower. It could go as low as 5,000 goods.
Yes, in 3 or 4 months.
In 3 or 4 months, from 7,500 to 5,000 goods. Let me tell you something. Kanal, Kanpe, Haiti, Paris. Let's go.
Declare. Bravo.
And we said, yes, we're rising to that to help you, because when you do well, we do well. When Haiti does well, the rest of the Caribbean does well. When Haiti does not do well, the rest of our children also suffer. So it is in our best interest for you to do well, for Haiti to do well. Haiti has been a beacon of light for generations, for centuries. And now that she's struggling, where are the other countries that she helped in South America, Latin America, Africa, the United States, Canada? She helped out the US with Georgia. She helped out the US with Louisiana. Where are the people who need to band together to help her as she now goes through her struggles? It's just as if your children turn their back on you because you're struggling. I want you to know, Haiti, that we're not going to turn our back on you. We are in the fight with you. So keep going. Keep going. We believe you're going to rise to your former glory in the same way you defeated an external enemy 220 years ago. You shall defeat any other enemy, whether it be internal or a combination. You're going to do it again. And we're going to pray and we're going to support you for that to happen. So what do we need, Haiti? What do we need for you, Haiti? What do I see as some of the needs? Mutual support. Mutual support, Haiti. We want you to know that in the same way we're supporting you, that you are also respecting and supporting us. We know it's a big burden to carry because you're carrying your own children. I know we speak different languages, but Haiti, you joined in and you rallied and you helped people who spoke different languages, who spoke Spanish, who spoke English, who speak French. And you, with your only unique Creole, have gone in there and helped us. Now, I want to say we want to see more mutual support that goes on both sides. It takes two. It's a two-way street. It takes two to tango. And we want to support Haiti. I am in there for you. The battle is not easy, but we'll make it through. Shared goals. We want to know the new leaders, whoever is going to take this country forward. What are the goals? I know Haiti is part of many communities, and that's a good thing about the country. That's one of the things we love about Haiti. They're willing, they have open arms to so many people. Haitians typically know more than one languages. A lot of Haitians also know Spanish, English, French, Creole, which is their main language. That's smart, educated people. We're proud to be part of that kind of community. If you look on the map, you'll see just how close Jamaica is to Haiti. Bahamas, Cuba, amazing. God knew what he was doing when he brought us together. Together, we can rise. United, we can stand. Divided, we will fall. This is also a call for unity. Uniting your children, Haiti. You can do it. You got this. Diverse perspectives. I know it's hard, but I want to encourage you to have a more open arm, to open up your arms a little more, to receive assistance, to receive help. And yes, I know it's hard because there are issues with trust, but we want to help each other here. We want to help each other. Shared goals, effective communication, and it can happen. Effective communication. Let's talk. Being willing to be adaptable and to continue to be resilient. That's what we want to see. I want to invite you all to join my community. Click that join button and let's do this together. Let's learn some Creole. I'm learning how to speak Creole in the same way I learned some Tree. When I went to Ghana, I spent a year there and I had to learn some of the language. I'd been visiting the country a lot and I learned some of the language as I went along. Likewise, I'm learning some Creole. But hey, how many of you Haitians know some of our Jamaican dialect? Do you know how to say me want go, or me hungry, or me tired? Let's do it together. Let's join a community. Let's build together. It's a new year and we got this. So we want to support you, Haiti, in prayers, moral support, physical support, in whatever way we can. Now, how can we support you as mother? How can we support you as a parent? I want to throw out 3 things that I want to encourage the community to do. And as I speak about the community, I'm going to invite everyone to join my community. Just click on that button that says join and choose a membership level. I will be sharing content to just members as time goes on, but I would really appreciate you becoming part, showing your support by joining my membership community. And again, I'm asking you to join my community. Thank you so much. So there are 3 things that I want to assure you, Haiti, as you go through this crisis that you're going through. as you bring it to some sort of resolution, we are with you. 3 things. Number 1, we understand the complexity of your situation. We know there's no easy fix. We know that the country has gone through a lot. Okay, the country has gone through a lot. You paid out a lot to France, and so financially, economically, there is a problem. We know that there have been a number of earthquakes that destroyed your infrastructure. The one in 2010, and then in 2021, thereabout, we had other earthquakes. So it has been challenging, it has been hard. And even any new leader that you have is going to have some difficulties addressing it. We know that you're also dealing with your Kanal la Pap Kanpe, the border issues with the Dominican Republic. So we know it's not easy. We know there's quite a bit of poverty in the country. We know it's complex. But one thing I know is that there are many institutions that have already been set up in Haiti. Haiti is pretty much developed institutionally, legally, and otherwise. That also makes us proud as part of the Caribbean community. Secondly, number 2, we want you to know that we are inspired by you. We are inspired by your history. We are inspired by your resilience. We are inspired by your beauty. We're proud to have you, Haiti, as part of our Caribbean community. Most of the people that I know since I moved to the US, most of my friends, my contacts, are Haitians. Many of my friends also are Africans. I have quite a number of Ghanaians to whom I'm close. But if I were to single out the one nation where I have most contacts, apart from my Jamaicans, it is Haiti. So we are inspired by you, Haiti, and we believe in you. Third thing I want to say is that we are going to support you in prayer. I'm going to ask our listeners to support Haiti in prayers and in whatever other ways we can. I've seen that the Kanal projects, for instance, have asked for financial help so that they can complete the canal. In whatever way we can support you, Haiti, we want to do that. And I want to encourage those listening to do that. Support Haiti. Pray for Haiti. Let's continue to watch what is happening and support, share, do whatever we can to build this amazing country. This country that did so much in the beginning, that changed the course of history, deserves to return to its former glory. But there have been a lot of new developments going on in Haiti, and it's a country that I have a lot of regard for. My people, we Jamaicans, we in the Caribbean, we're very supportive of Haiti. We love Haiti. We acknowledge the role the Haitian forefathers played, the Destabilizing and Christophe and Boukman and Louverture, the role they played in dealing with this whole horrible issue of slavery, bringing it to an end, and also the fact that they helped many other countries to overcome and to obtain their freedom. All the best, Haiti. You got this. This is AngieMarie, and I thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video. See you soon in the next one.